Just feel it boom boom. Just feel it boom boom. Just feel it boom boom boom.
Hello world! My name is Ryan and welcome to Cupcakes Pop. I got so many requests from you guys about MOMOLAND. Just spell it boom boom. And for my subscribers who went to my community tab and voted which K-pop group I should cupcake next, 73% of you voted MOMOLAND. Today, we'll be making an orange creamsicle cupcake with a MOMOLAND logo. If you like K-pop and if you like this kind of video, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon to be the first to know when a new video comes out. Also include creator posts. And make sure to check my community tab for exclusive YouTube creator content. What you're gonna need to make the orange creamsicle cupcakes is 1 1/4 cup of cake flour, 3/4 cup of sugar, half a cup of milk, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 stick of butter, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 cup of orange juice, and a zest of 1 orange. Make sure to check the details below for the full recipe and the instructions. The first step is to cream our butter, our sugar, in a medium-sized bowl using a hand mixer. 1 stick of butter, 3/4 cup of sugar, and using a hand mixer, we cream it until it's light and fluffy. Once the butter and the sugar is light and fluffy, we add our eggs one by one. Starting with our first egg, and then we give it a little mix. Then our second egg, then we give it a little mix. Then we add 1/4 cup of orange juice, and then we add 1 zest of an orange. And then we give it a little mix. And then we set this aside. The next step is we sift our cake flour, our salt, and our baking powder into a separate bowl. Our flour, baking powder, and then we measure out a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then we give it a little sift. And then we measure out 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste. And then we mix it with half a cup of milk. We alternate adding our dry ingredients with our milk, starting with 1/3 of the dry, and then we give it a little mix. Half of the milk, and then we give it a little mix. Another 1/3 of the dry, and then we give it a little mix. Then we add the rest of our milk, and then we give it a little mix. Finally, we add the rest of our dry ingredients, but this time, we give it a little whisk. Before I finish whisking, I'd like to add a couple of drops of orange Wilton Color Right. And then, using an ice cream scooper, we scoop our cupcake batter into our yellow cupcake liners. And then, we bake this for 18 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Why did I do that? Hit like! Thanks for watching. Annyeong!
Just feel it boom boom. Just feel it boom boom. Just feel it boom boom. Just feel it boom boom.